We're about to get fucking meal 3 thrown together here. 175 grams of beef. Good old 937. Get you done right. Just enough to get the job done. Ooh, too filthy with it. Too filthy with it. Hot as fuck. God motherfucker. Oof. There we go. I'll take what I can get. All right, we didn't get the pre-workout meal recorded, but same thing as every day. It's 100 grams oats, it's 50 grams whey isolate, and 60 grams of peanut butter, just enough to get the job done. Okay. I spent the last half of the day trying to put together a little what do you call it? Display area in the front of the business. Fuck it, dude. I'm just gonna get a quick shot of it. Hopefully, I'm hoping it looks good at nighttime, because I wasn't really liking the way it looked in the light. It's not done, but I'll get a quick shot of it here. Ooh, okay. I see you. Yo, that don't look too bad. Oh, those windows look like shit though, bro. Oh yeah, because I spray painted the windows because I'm trying to fog them, and I got a big LED light behind, and they're not looking like the way I wanted them to look, so that sucks. But now let's look at the next one real quick. So that's like a classic, like what do you even call it? Like just a classic garage door, like a carry style door. And then over here is a modern door with fog glass on top, and it looks like shit. It looks like shit because the window's dirty, and I don't like that. Anyways, we're gonna move along now. We're not gonna worry about that. It's time for legs. Matter of fact. So, ooh, I definitely need to lock the front door though. No, but I was just chilling in that bitch, and like the area where I'm chilling is 20 feet back, 15, 20 feet back, and then through a door. And I had the door open, and then that's like the storefront area right there. Someone fucking came in, dude, and like walked I hear the door open. I'm like, what the fuck was that? And a dude fucking came in and kept fucking coming in, even though it was like obviously under construction. I was like, bro, what are you doing? He said he was looking for a garage door, but he didn't buy one, that's for sure. I'll be right back, smooches. I got the door locked. Don't worry about it. All right, it's time for legs at PA Fitness. Ooh, hello, officer. I going fast. Oh, he don't care. Nah, fuck it. Should I get an energy drink? Absolutely. Yeah, we're gonna get an energy drink. Energy drink, yeah, baby. How's it going? see. I tried to just jump back into it and I ruined the whole set. Unfortunate. I fucking hate these machines. Oh, fuck me. I feel like I'm gonna throw up real bad. I wasn't even feeling it that good either. I was just feeling the stretch. Was not feeling the contraction. It is what it is. We pushed hard. Okay, that's it. What do we do? 4 sets extensions, 3 shitty sets of leg curls, 3 sets of squats. I think 4 sets on the hack, which was all pretty fucking ass. I don't know what's up with my strength. Like on the hack, I think I was failing at like 6, like literally fucking to failure. But I don't know, dude. It is what it is. So worth every second. Just the way you feel after leg day. The serotonin. About time. Tomorrow, I think tomorrow's arms. Yep, tomorrow's arms. Arms and delts. Something like that. Fuck, that's spicy. You know the fucking deal. 200 grams of rice, 150 grams of chicken, and 5 grams of olive oil. So good. So good, so tasty. Put some chili powder on this bitch today. Some chili powder on that bitch. Flavor Bomb by Weber. Arms tomorrow, maybe pump the chest. Pump the delts a little bit. Arms and delts with a little chest pump. Just like, I'm talking like 4 or 5 squeeze sets for the chest. Not like a full pump or anything. Just get a little bit of blood in there, you know? C-Max day 1 was a success. I think that it really helped me stay on top of my shit. Absolutely. Helped me stay focused. Helped me get all my tasks done. And paired with the Adderall, I just felt like a goddamn missile of perfection today. It was great. That's how I want to feel every day. Just ding, 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 done, done, on top of it. Know what's going on, not overwhelmed, you know, in any way. Just like, okay, I'm going to do this and this and this and this. I'm going to do that, and it'll be done. And I'll do it in that order, and it's going to be perfect. So I have some crippling attention deficit, for real. That's a spicy boy, goddamn. Fuck. Or is it 10 grams of olive oil? Dude, I don't fucking know what's going on anymore, to be honest with you. I do not know. Then we got one more meal after this, which is gonna be beef and eggs. Fuck Tupperware, bro. Ziploc bags. Where's that? Real nice and fucking tasty now. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. Alright, physique check. And then we'll eat this. Okay. Smooches, boys. That's day 13.